Oh, fuck, my eyes
It's
red.
7 in the morning. We're all here in Mr. President's room. Guess for what? Divya, can you throw some light? Why are we here at 7 in the morning?
I don't know. I'm just here. I was called as paid audience.
We're
should
here
find out
for.
from-
Yes, okay. Let's go to the people who know stuff. Now we go to the people who might actually know stuff via we here. We've got Sharan in the house. We've got Sahil in the house. And Mr. President, Sham Nambiar. Sharan with Mr. One Red Eye, tell us why we are here.
Alright, so we're here to roast Mr. Sham Nambiar himself, and we've written some content. It's no holds barred. We've spent everyone except his dignity. No,
How do you
actually,
spell holes actually?
Did you just say holes bar?
Whole. Okay, actually, that's a good
Yes.
point. Sal, what do you
Holes
think?
bar?
Is it holes bar or holes bar?
What do you want it to be?
I don't know. I mean, you guys are roasting it. What do you want?
We'll have it to be what you want it to be, that's all.
Alright, Kavita, get the loop.
There's like accounting.
Okay, now we are going to our audience in the
Oldest member of the
studio.
audience, Kavita.
Hey, someone called me. It has to be good.
There's one audience right behind you.
I want to see.
Hi.
I want
I'm
to.
just
Hello.
audio. Okay.
Saranga, what
I'm
was
not
it?
getting paid enough for this. I want to.
Are your eyes red too?
I am red. My brain is red. Okay, I'm not getting
No,
paid
you
enough.
are spelling it dead.
I'm dead.
We're already getting in the
The
groove.
roast in the morning.
Shams roasting people is not supposed to roast. That's
So without much ado, let's get into the main agenda for the day.
Hello folks of ISB and welcome to ISB 101. Today we have in the studio the man himself, GSB President Sham Nambiar. A big round of applause from our paid audience in the studio. Well, Sham, how do you feel about the roast, Sham?
I'm looking forward to it.
How are you?
Dude, I don't think Sham has a clue
Yeah,
what's up
clue
ahead,
what's
dude.
up.
He's being on
Yeah, I
diplomatic
actually
now.
don't. I actually
He's being
don't.
all, oh, I'm so happy to be here, adjusting style and all. He's
Guess
going-
who we also have in the studio? The love guru Sharan.
What's up, my lovelies? I'm actually here to roast Sham Nambiar. The video's recording. Hello, my lovelies. And let's take it off Sahil. So,
Sharan, I'll let you drop first blood. Let the games begin.
Alright, dude, so Sham, what's up? How old are you?
Last when I counted, it was about 42.
Oh, God damn. You know what?
That's
Sham,
very long time.
Sham's so old that the last time he sat down to watch TV as a child, the TV was not invented yet.
Yes, check this out. Sham's so old, they had to bring in 3 wild peas to bring the average age down.
Wait. Sham is like so fucking old. He is the old monk.
That's These guys actually named me already.
Note how I'm like Sham's like punching right side. Huh? It's like we're black by the end of it.
Check this out. Sham's so old.
Go on.
That's it.
Oh God. Subject, but how's it going?
DMOP was pretty decent.
Decent.
You know why?
Did you do the assignment?
Yeah, I did.
Dude, Sahil, do you know who Sham's Dima partner is?
Wouldn't be able to guess.
It's Dishan Kamdar, dude.
Name is pretty similar. It's actually Dinisha.
Oh,
we all got that.
Nisha, please note you apparently look like the deputy dean.
So Sham, who writes your emails? You write them yourself?
Now?
Yeah?
Yes.
So Sham, you know what? You went out of the way and you said, and I quote, the rare areas of goals. And he also noted that they were the general hygiene had improved. Way to go, Sham.
The real area of goals seems good, but you know that whole FADM cheat sheet
Oh,
bit,
yeah,
that was
that was
like
interesting.
that was really good, dude. Helped so many people pass their exam.
that-
Actually, but unfortunately he forgot to convert it into text, and now it was in Morse code, so nobody understood the exam. Nobody understood what was on the paper. Helped some people who knew Morse code. In the
Well, Sharan, thinking of emails, what is common between Dishan Kamdar and Sham Nambiar's emails?
Between Dishan Kamdar and
Sham Nambiar's emails.
what?
They both need a lot of space from Sham.
Sham, are you breaking up with Dishan Kamdar?
When are
Is that
you?
happening?
Is that happening?
No, I can't tell that on
Don't
radio.
do it on
I can't tell that on
phone.
radio, sorry.
Sham Nambiar is a damn fit guy, don't you agree?
Yeah, I think so.
But what about the last guy, dude? The
Oh,
la-
that-
the last
the dude?
the last president, yeah,
The
class,
Paul dude?
class 16, yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
the Paul dude, yeah.
Yeah, did you know Peter Paul is basically Sham's mini me from the past?
Guess what? On that note, what would you get if you scaled down Sham 10 years and 15 kgs?
Peter Paul. No, bro, you know what? Sham doesn't eat beef, so.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Eat beef?
No, he doesn't.
Is that a
No,
gauze?
no, I don't.
He doesn't
I
eat
already
beef.
want that.
What? He already has 2 big calves.
You know what? The only best fit about Sham is his t-shirt.
Sometimes I look at his t-shirt and wonder whether he has blood circulation to his arms. You know, t-shirt so tight around the arms. You know?
I swear, bro.
It's like Salman Khan, but no, let's not.
Let's not go there.
Okay, dude, Sham's so fit. He already tackled 3 people in studio for laughing this hard. We've already gotten mail for HCC violation.
So, Sham, when were you in the Navy?
1991 to 2006.
Did you have planes landing on the ships? Like,
Yeah,
no.
kind of.
You know what? Sham's chest is so broad. They used it to land fighter planes.
Attack my Sham! This is physique.
Physique, yeah. Do you like it, Sham?
But you know that Sham is actually like a Malayali, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah. I heard
What's the
about that.
one thing Malayalis are famous for?
Drinking.
Yeah, but you know Sham's so drunk all the time. He literally has beer in his name.
Oh god. Oh, on that note, why did Sham come to ISB?
Why?
Simply.
Dude, you know what Sham's idea of porn was while growing up?
I couldn't guess.
2 flasks vigorously touching all the time.
Guess what?
Which is why on honeymoon he took a bouquet of flowers along to open for the next fraction. Okay, go.
What's common between Goel's and Sham's computer?
What?
They both have a dead mouse.
Hi. Well, hi.
Oh yeah. Losing a lot of clothes. What is that all about?
Oh, Sahil, there's this new initiative. People who have lost the most number of clothes by the end of the year will go into the Dean's laundry list. So yeah, currently you're in the lead because you've been wearing the same shirt for the past 5 days.
Oh,
No, yeah, this is actually the worst roast Sham's ever had, dude.
Yeah.
I'm smelling you.
Oh yeah, Sharon. So Sharon, you know what's common between you and your ISB fees?
What?
I do.
You do?
Yeah.
Sham, what is that?
They both wasted.
So Sham,
Thanks, guys. I love you too.
Yeah. So
And
Sham-
you know what, Sahil?
Yeah.
I know you are having a ball roasting me, right?
Yeah.
I only wish you had the second one.
Sham is roasting us.
It's a bloodbath in the studio. Can't take it.
Oh Sham, but we heard something about Tushar Kapoor and you. What is that?
How did you hear about it?
Dude, but wait. Do you know what Tushar Kapoor's claim to fame is?
What is it?
He once hosted Sham Nambiar. Yeah, but in all fairness, I think Sahil, Sham Nambiar has been quite an amazing president so far. And he's been a great sport about the entire roast. And
Yeah.
honestly, he was poking us when we actually took a break to drink water.
Yeah.
Well, technically not that sort of poking.
But yeah, I mean, if you think of all the things he's done so far, he's been great with the operations. He's been great with the blood donation camp that happened, and he's been a wonderfully humble president.
Yep.
So for that and a lot of other
So
things.
paid audience, can we have a lot of do you have any
Closing thoughts, yeah.
closing thoughts about the roast?
Thanks, guys. It's been good fun and a lot of laughing after a long time in ISB. And I think you should do this with each of the GSB directors to start with.
Oh, yes, we have got
Yes.
permission, ladies and gentlemen, to do this
Please go
with
ahead.
all the GSB
We have-
club
Can we
presidents.
have- I'll join you to
Yeah,
this.
join us. That's awesome.
But Sham, can we have that on mail, please?
On me.
We'll have that on
CC
mail.
Lisham Kamdar.
Exactly.
Alright, that's Sahil and me from the studio with Sham Nambiar and paid audience. That's us.
And that's a wrap.